Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve code problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number is 1903. Largest odd number is in string. You are given a string num representing a large integer. Return the largest valued odd integer as a string that a non-empty substring of num or an empty string if the odd integer exists. Is if no odd integer exists. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Let's solve it. First of all, we can create the simplest uh, quadratic solution. What we can do? For instance, we can add a variable for result. Else, we need some variable for current max value. For instance, it's 0. And two nested loops. One from 0 to length of num, and the inside for j in range from I to length of num, and inside calculate number. For instance, let's call it odd. It's int, and the current subsequence from I to j plus 1. If odd modulo 2 equals to 1, so it's odd number, and odd greater than value equals to odd, result equals to num from I to j plus 1. And finally return result. Let's check tests. Test works, but if you will see the constraints, you can see the maximum length can be 10 power 5. So our quadratic solution can be work by up to n quadratic, so it could be up to 10 power 10, so it's huge number. If we try to submit it, I think we exceed the execution time, so we need to better solution, and we have it and can solve this problem linear. To do it, we can find one interesting detail. The total number is odd if the last character last number is odd. So to find the largest odd number in some string, we can check each number from the end of string, and when we find first odd number from the end of string, the total subsequence from the start to the last odd number will be the largest odd number. So let's do it. We need a loop from the end of our num string. So from length of num -1 to -1, and this step -1. And if current character num of I modulo 2 equals to 1, we found the latest odd number, so we can return result from 0 to I plus 1. If we didn't find any odd number, just return empty string. Check tests, it passed, and let's submit it. It works, and it's pretty efficient, and works with linear time complexity. And also we have memory complexity of 1 because we didn't use any addition variables depends on length of num. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.